tell my audience, right? Like, what does minimus mean for you?
Application security is not just about alerting. And this is the biggest problem, I think, today for cybersecurity teams, because they are drowning in alerts and they're putting all these efforts into trying to do pretty much the same thing across the board. And just imagine all the possibilities that you could have when you have something that is secure from the developer all the way to production, and how you understand that workload really well and how you could adjust it, and instead of just alerting on issues, actually protecting it. And that's what Minimus is. It's a application security solution right now, but it will evolve into application security platform in order to address a lot of issues around application security that cause all that work to security teams.
What's the big aha, the big vision, right? Like 10 years out, what does this become?
It's really ironic that the cloud should have helped people do less work because of the scale and the repeatability. And for some reason, it caused you to have more security issues for everyone instead of less. So we're trying to turn that around by actually delivering to the development team something that's minimalistic and is production ready and accumulates all the security best practices plus security elements that you would need to have at runtime. And we're going to basically see it through from the development all the way to runtime. So we believe that this is the missing piece, and it actually completes the puzzle because it gives you true application security.
So what's the big vision or big aha you want to talk about for Oroscape? What do you do? Like, why is it going to be big?
Yeah, look, first of all, there's definitely a false sense of security. Every enterprise that we talk to, right, they already have an internet egress firewall, or they have some type of proxies that are monitoring web traffic. But the way the AI application work is very different. A single application has many different intentions. Each intentions was built using a different technology stack. So, what we realize is that, you need to build a foundational stack ground up, right? Your bad guys are coming in using these AI tools. You need to make sure that you can do deep content inspection, and then you can keep the bad guys out. And then your more concern has to be your intellectual property, your sensitive data that is going out with all these prompt queries and responses, right? So again, you need to be able to look deep inside the content. You need to collect the full context so that you can empower IT security team to take the right actions, right? So that's exactly, our focus is.
Right. And in my mind, right, like company building is a team sport and people build products. This is a pretty hard problem. What does success look like if both of us dream 10 years from now? What did Oroscape do? What did it become?
This is going to be a mainstream cybersecurity company, and we are here to build a big company that are solving real customer problems for the next 2 decades. We want to build a big company. We want to build the next cybersecurity stack that will be relevant for the market.